nice. Check this out. It's forest in a bottle. What a beautiful thing. Beautiful plants. It's not artificial, they are real. So really, really, really great looking. Take a closer look. There's moss, there's greenery, and that beautiful, beautiful bottle. Let's check it out. The green bottle garden, made by Fusion Color. Here's some instructions. And really a beautiful thing if you want to give somebody a nice gift. Really, really, really nice. It's lush green, brightly colored. Here it's green with some red tint to it. So take a look. Really, really beautiful. And there's a hole to water the plants. Obviously at the top you can also remove the cork. A really cool thing, really beautiful.